9 Ways to Make Money from Watching Videos. If you ever find yourself wishing you could get paid to watch videos online, we've got some very good news: you can. Here's how. How to get paid to watch videos. Here are the best ways to watch videos and earn money. Watch videos for money on Swagbucks. If you haven't already, signing up to Swagbucks is a great way to start making money from quick and easy tasks. You can earn rewards for watching videos, surfing the web and doing paid online surveys. The types of videos you'll watch on Swagbucks could include ads, news content and viral videos. By watching videos on the site, you might not earn huge amounts of money or Swagbuck points, aka SB, but is it such easy money? It's worth trying. Make money watching videos on Inbox Pounds. Inbox Pounds works in a similar way to Swagbucks. It lets you earn cash for super simple things like watching videos and taking surveys. Again, you might not make big money on here, but the more tasks you do beyond watching videos, the more money you can make. Watch video ads on We Are It for earnings or charity. Hoping to watch ads for money and make a positive impact? We Are It could be the app for you. Like some of the others on this list, We Are It is an app that lets you earn cash from watching videos. But, it has a slight difference. As well as making money to boost your bank balance, you also have the chance to contribute to charity. After you watch ads on this platform, you're asked to answer a few quick questions and you can earn 10p, 20p per video. Watch ads, TV trailers and more for money on Slice the P. Slice the P is a review site that lets you earn points for doing loads of very easy things like watching interesting videos, listening to music and answering survey questions. The videos include commercials and clips like trailers for films and TV shows. The minimum withdrawal is $10, about £8.15, which will get paid into your PayPal account. As they read through all the reviews before making payments, you might need to wait up to 5 working days for the withdrawal request to be processed. Make money watching videos on PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel is a site that lets you earn money watching videos, something that requires so little work it's almost free money. You can request the money you've earned through the site as PayPal money or as gift cards. When withdrawing the money via PayPal, there's a minimum payout of $5, about £4. Write subtitles for films as a freelancer via Fiverr. To add more film-related experience to your CV, and make money in the process, you could start writing subtitles for online videos as a freelancer. Subtitles and transcripts can be very time-consuming to write. So, to save time, some content creators hire freelancers to write their video subtitles for them. Make money from film and TV reviews. Hoping to make a living from watching videos? Becoming a film or TV reviewer is one of the best, most established ways of doing so. It's by no means easy to reach the point of writing about videos as a full-time job. But, with hard work, dedication and strong writing skills, you can do it. Take part in paid psychological studies. If you're interested in taking part in psychological and behavioral studies, this could be a good way for you to make money from watching videos. The amount you can get paid in compensation for doing psychological studies will vary massively depending on the type of trial and how long it lasts, but you could receive as much as £100 plus for your time. Promote videos for companies online. As well as getting paid to watch videos, you could consider charging companies to promote their clips and ads online. Sponsored posts are a common way to make money for online influencers. While you don't necessarily need a huge online following to do this, it would help if you had a reasonable number of followers on social media and/or your own blog.